sklearn, Linear Model, RidgeCV. Description: RidgeCV implements ridge regression with built-in cross-validation to select the best regularization parameter alpha. It aims to prevent overfitting by adding a penalty term to the loss function, which shrinks the coefficients towards zero. The optimal alpha value is chosen based on minimizing the cross-validation error, typically measured by mean squared error. Inputs: alpha is a list or array of alpha values to be considered during cross-validation. Each alpha value represents the strength of the regularization penalty. Fit intercept: a boolean indicating whether to calculate the intercept term in the linear model. Normalize: a boolean indicating whether to normalize the features before fitting the model. CV: an integer or a cross-validation generator object determining the number of folds for cross-validation. Scoring: a string or callable object specifying the scoring metric to use during cross-validation. GCV mode: a string indicating the type of generalized cross-validation GCV to use. If applicable, store CV values: a boolean indicating whether to store the cross-validation values for each alpha. Outputs: COA: the coefficients of the fitted linear model. Intercept: the intercept term of the fitted linear model. Alpha: the optimal alpha value selected by cross-validation. CV values: if store CV values is true in array containing the cross-validation scores for each alpha value. Steps: cross-validation: the input data is split into multiple folds. For each alpha value in the alphas list, the model is trained on all folds except one, and the error is calculated on the held out fold. Error calculation: the mean squared error or other specified scoring metric is calculated for each alpha value on the held out folds. Optimal alpha selection: the alpha value that minimizes the average cross-validation error is chosen as the optimal alpha. Model fitting: the ridge model is finally fitted using the optimal alpha value on the entire dataset. Metrics: mean squared error MSE: the average squared difference between the predicted and actual values. R squared: the proportion of variance in the dependent variable explained by the model. Mean absolute error MA: the average absolute difference between the predicted and actual values. Visualization plots: alpha vs cross-validation score: a plot visualizing the cross-validation scores for each alpha value. This helps understand how the model performs with different regularization strengths. Residual plot: a plot showing the difference between the predicted and actual values. This can reveal potential issues like non-linearity or heteroscedasticity. Fine-tune parameters: alphas fine-tune the range of alpha values to explore the regularization strength that leads to optimal performance. CV adjust the number of folds for cross-validation to balance the trade-off between computation time and model generalization. Uncertainty methods: bootstrap resampling: resample the data with replacement and refit the RidgeCV model multiple times to obtain a distribution of coefficients and predictions. Bayesian methods integrate over the uncertainty of the model parameters to obtain credible intervals for predictions. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1: overfitting to the training data. This can happen if the regularization strength is too low or if the data is highly correlated. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1: a model with a small number of features in a large number of samples might overfit the training data. Fixes to challenge 1: increase the value of alpha to increase the regularization strength. Consider adding more features to the model to reduce the risk of overfitting. Challenge 2: poor performance on unseen data. This can happen if the cross-validation folds are not representative of the overall data distribution. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2 using k-fold cross-validation with a small number of folds might result in biased estimates of the model performance. Fixes to challenge 2 use a larger number of folds for cross-validation. Consider using stratified k-fold cross-validation to ensure that each fold has a similar distribution of the target variable. Challenge 3 computationally expensive cross-validation can be computationally expensive, especially for large datasets or a wide range of alpha values. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 3 training ridge CV on a dataset with millions of samples and a large number of alpha values can take a long time. Fixes to challenge 3 consider reducing the number of folds for cross-validation. Use a smaller range of alpha values or employ techniques like early stopping to reduce the computation time.